Hey guys, it's Swiss Kennedy, and my dad's being weird. I do not know what he is doing. Maybe I could poke him. Come on, kitty. Come on. He's been doing this for a couple minutes now. Thank you. Where did it go? Nick. Okay, I'm just gonna... What are you doing? I was having fun. Leave me alone, jerk. There. I'm sorry, I feel bad now. You could go back. No! Don't want to do it. You're a jerk. Bye. Man, Clovis.